a lot of ads, doctor, that women can wear these bracelets, and it keeps track of like your ovulation cycle, like what day you're ovulating, which is the peak of getting pregnant. Usually it's like day 14 or 13, something like that. Is that a good way of kind of monitoring the situation, to say, oh, today's the right day?
Right. So when people are planning to get pregnant, my original advice is not to really obsess about it too much, because as long as you're in a healthy relationship, sexually active, and you're not focusing on it too much, you will conceive. But people who are really focused and they want to know, when's the time? What should I be doing? You know, they really want to get into that exact day. What works best are these ovulation kits. It will actually tell you when your surge is and when you want to really be active. The bracelets are focusing on your temperature, and that has been shown to be effective, but those traditional ovulation kits where you go to the bathroom, you pee on a stick, they're extremely effective.